You're going to bring your eggs up to a boil in cold water, and then once they come up to a boil, set them aside for about 10 to 11 minutes. I'm gonna spare you. This was tough. I hate peeling eggs. There are some tricks that do work, sometimes they don't work. I've just never found anything really consistent. Once you peel your eggs, pop out the yolks like you normally would for deviled eggs and set those aside. To my egg yolks, I'm going to mince up some grilled scallion, grilled avocado, and some grilled jalapeno. Why did I grill them? Because I wanted to. It's totally optional. I just like the charred flavor it gives. Give those a really good mince and add everything to your egg yolks. I like the avocado here because it just adds to the creaminess. I'm going to also add in some whole grain mustard. You can also use Dijon and kewpie mayo. I like to use kewpie mayo because I feel like it has a little bit more flavor and a little more umami flavor than a regular mayo would, but regular mayo is totally acceptable here. And here I am adding some more because it wasn't creamy enough. And then I also, of course, the star of these eggs is the chimichurri. Give everything a really good mash until it's to your desired smoothness. I like mine fairly smooth. You could also do this in a food processor. You're then going to spoon the filling into a piping bag. You could use a star tip, or you could use a simple plastic little baggie that I'm using that you have at your house. That's what I used. And this is easier because you can just throw it out when you're done. Easy cleanup. So once you have your eggs filled, I did mince up some Fresno chili as well as some extra grilled jalapeno that I had, and topped each one with a little more chimichurri-ish because that is the star of the dish, of course. Then take your minced peppers and put those on top. I like the pop of spice it gives, and also a nice freshness and color, as well as little pieces of julienne scallion on the bias. It makes it look really fancy, and it's a nice crunch as well. Here are the eggs, and yeah, try these guys. And as you can see, I quite enjoyed them.